please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'm opening with a San Jose Giants team card set. I know here this year has the mask on the background. First card. What year this is? Like 1919. So 1919 Giants. Well. So far, Brad's the only person I know is in the play the Giants. There is. Daniel. Alright guys, have enjoyed San Jose Giant game. Let me know in my league games. I go like a couple years times here. These days I'll see myself in the background. There's a VIP section right there. Disable here. I think most of our home games. This is kind of what they look like in the background. Give them a little story about them. Here's a debate trying to get them to play, get more money. Minor league players. Maybe they don't get jacked. They sacrifice so much. Got yourself a manager, Bill Hayes. And this is the background of the coach. He's got like a psychopath. You might learn. You know, the clubhouse manager. Assistant clubhouse manager. And you got the mascot. So any players you know, maybe some of these players be future stars. Who knows? So like and subscribe, let me know what you think. See you, bye.